Hi everyone, it's your boy Mohamed Fofana here. Today I'm really excited to unbox and review the new Apple AirPods Pro. This AirPods Pro, we are getting a lot of buzz lately, so I'm really excited to share with you guys and unbox it. And let's see what this thing has in terms of audio quality, noise cancelling. I heard they got noise cancelling also, and also comfortability. So with that, let's begin the review. Now, first of all, looking at the box, you can tell it has kind of a minimalistic design to it, and you can see the Apple AirPods Pro over here. And yeah, let's open it up. Ooh, nice. I don't have a long nail, so that's what I used to open it with, my nail. Kind of struggling opening this one right now. I'm gonna take it out. Yep. Okay. First, we have the paperwork, the document. For those of you who like reading instruction manual books, I don't like reading instruction manual book. I don't know about you, but I don't like reading instruction manual books. So first of all, out of the box, the first thing we have is the earbuds themselves. No, we'll be coming to that. Now let's see whether it has a charging. Yo, talk about cool packaging. Apple knows how to draw in the customer's attention for sure in terms of packaging. Themselves features a silicone tip that comes in 3 different sizes for a comfortable fit. The AirPods themselves are a little bit shorter, giving it a more modern and streamlined look. The case of the AirPods Pros themselves are like more square and also comes with a wireless charging capability in them and a kind of LED light indicators that shows when the AirPods themselves are low or full. Setting up the AirPods Pros is super simple. All you have to do is remove them out of the case and they will automatically connect to your iPhones or other Apple devices. But if you have a non-Apple device, the only thing you can connect it with is via Bluetooth. Now, you can adjust the settings of this AirPods AirPods Pros like the noise cancelling mode and the transparency mode via the Bluetooth settings in your iPhones. So that's it for the connectivity aspect of it. Now, how does the AirPods Pro sounds like? In a word, excellent. Like, it has a crisp and clear sound. The bass is well balanced, and also the noise cancelling mode is excellent. Transparency mode is great. Now, speaking of noise cancelling mode, the way to activate it is just hold on the AirPods Pro for 3 or 2 seconds. It will activate the noise cancelling mode. Do the same thing to take it to transparency mode back again. So yeah, it's good in terms of like walking outside the street, or just vibing to music in your home like I do. So yeah, overall I'm really impressed with the Apple AirPods Pro. They offer a great combination of sound quality, noise cancelling, and convenience. If you are in the market for a new pair of AirPods, I highly suggest trying it. If you have any comment for me in terms of this review, don't forget to leave it down in the comment section below. Subscribe for more tech reviews like this, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Yeah, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Yoroshiku nagashimasu. Shukran lakum, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.